6-in-1 stand mixer has everything you could ever need to make you the ultimate home chef. Some of the features include 10 speeds to suit a variety of recipes, a high-capacity 9.5 quart mixing bowl, attachments such as a whisk, a beater, and a dough hook, and planetary mixing action to make sure ingredients are fully incorporated. This mixer really can do it all, with attachments such as a meat grinder to make your own fresh burgers or meatballs. And after you've ground your own meat, use the sausage function to create your own sausage links. A pasta maker attachment with 6 discs for 6 different types of pasta shapes. Slicer and shredder attachments for slicing and dicing vegetables, potatoes, nuts, and more. A cookie press to create artful cookie creations. A durable 1.5-liter glass juice blender for making the perfect smoothie. So take your kitchen creations to the next level with your SanLidA 6-in-1 stand mixer.